Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your Sony A7 IV and workstation. Make sure firmware is updated and the battery is charged, or use an AC adapter for long shoots, because stable power prevents interruptions. Install Imaging Edge Desktop or your preferred Tether app, then set the camera's USB connection to PC remote in the setup menu. This tells the camera to accept commands and transfer images. Once done, choose a fast USB-C cable and an available target folder on your computer to receive files. You now connect the camera and configure capture settings so tethering works reliably. Plug the USB-C cable into the camera and a USB 3.0/3. One port on the computer and watch for device recognition. If prompted, allow the connection. In the camera, set image quality and autofocus behavior for live previews, and in your Capture app, select the ingest folder, preview size, and auto-import or develop defaults. Make sure the software shows a live preview. This confirms images will transfer as you shoot. You're ready to shoot tethered. Trigger the shutter from the camera or the software and confirm each file appears on the computer instantly. For extended sessions, use an AC adapter or dummy battery and keep an eye on storage and camera temperature to avoid dropped frames. If something goes wrong, try this quick troubleshooting tip. Switch USB ports or cables first, then toggle the camera's PC remote setting and restart the computer and camera. Most detection problems clear with a simple reconnect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.